kids! Today I am going to show you how I draw a gorilla. I start with a thick fluffy hairstyle and then I draw the big eyes. I use correction fluid to add white spots and give them a nice shine. You can find the drawing materials in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe. The gorilla has a powerful body. I draw it similarly to how I drew a llama. It's turning out pretty well. I will color my gorilla with huge hands in gray and blue. It turns out really nice. Gorillas are some of the most intelligent and fascinating animals in the world. They live in family groups led by a strong male called a silverback who protects and guards the group. Even though they look powerful, gorillas are usually calm and gentle. They are very smart. Some have even learned to communicate with humans using sign language and can show emotions like happiness or sadness. Gorillas are also caring parents, and young ones love to play just like children. See you soon. Bye.